Ayun, si Foreman. Yes. Bumili lang kami ng ano. Mabigat. Hindi ako makaalis. Sa favorite spot pa ni Julie itong ano. Harap. So ito. Ayan, soft drinks. Bowl. Medyo tinanghali na kami nang bili ng almusal. So, ang nabili lang namin is pares kanin. Tapos ito, soft drinks. Eh,
Okay na.
not bad. Ayun ang aming bahay. Under construction ta. Siyempre, malayo-layo pa nga. Pero at least, nasimulan na. I'm excited. Bakit parang taas sa amin? Kasi mataas. Elevated na. Elevated yung aming ano. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Kasi ito yung katabi namin. Yan, ganyan din naman ang maging finished ano namin, unit. But, sabi ko, ba't ang taas nung ano, nung hollow blocks? So, elevated pala yung aming flooring dito. Kaya mataas din. Which is a good thing. Ayan. So, hindi kasi pwedeng pumasok sa loob. Although nakasilip kami last week, pero ayoko naman maging pasaway. Basta lahat ng concerns and questions namin, tinatanong namin. And tomorrow, baka bumalik kami kasi kakausapin namin yung engineer. We have some questions that we need to ask while they're still building, while they're still constructing. Kasi, syempre, like, kung gusto naming maglagay ng built-in stove, ayoko kasi ng ano ang tawag dito, gas range na may parang oven. Hindi naman ako nagbe-bake. Gusto ko lang yung panluto. So, gusto ko lang yung stove lang na built-in. Ayun. Tapos yung mga lababo, kung may bala kasi kami pa-renovate dyan, and if possible na i-turn over sa amin, which is I'm not sure kung pwede, but at least we will try to ask kung pwede ng hindi na ipalagay, kasi eventually pag na-turn over sa amin, ipapagiba din namin yung part na yon to turn it into something new. I mean, to turn it to some other area ng bahay. Medyo makitid kasi yung makitid ang area. Yan, makitid yung living area and hindi kasya yung couch. Ayan, feel ni Julie yung kanyang new hair. She had her haircut yesterday. She had a long hair. She used to have long hair naman talaga. This is the second time na nagpagupit siya. Kasi nga, nagkaroon siya ng kuto. Dating wala naman siyang kuto. Ngayon nagkaroon siya. I'm not sure if dahil ano na siya, active na siya sa labas. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Hi, where are we?
Where are we? We're on the what?
We are on our
House.
they're still building it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not yet done, diba?
Yeah, it's not yet done.
It's not yet done. Yeah, and I think
Mommy, is that you?
where is me?
Is that you?
Where?
This.
Is that me?
Yeah, that's you.
Yeah, that's me, but I don't. That's black and white. Ayun, syempre excited kaya monitor. Malapit lang naman yung bahay namin, yung apartment namin. Currently dito sa subdivision. Kaya hindi mahirap sa amin pumunta every time. Ayan, nakangati na naman si Jury. Nakakaloka lang kasi wala naman siyang ano dati.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay, baby. Wala naman siya dating ano kuto. Nagkaroon siya since nag-start siya mag-school.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, ayun nga. ito daw yung barracks ng mga workers. Tapat ng mismo house namin na kinoconstruct. Ayun.
Mommy, can you get that? Is so cute. Mommy, that is yours.
That's mine. Ayun. And ito lang naman yung nasa paligid namin. Makita nyo, there's bunch of trees everywhere.
Mommy, can you fix my hair?
Yeah, I'll fix your hair.
This. What?
Oh no.
No.
Ayoko nang umalis kasi umuulan. Naku, sinisipon na kami pareho ni Jory. Inuubos sinisipon. Kaya ayoko na sana magpaulan. Although pwede naman magpayong pero sige, wala pa naman masyadong bago sa paningin dun sa bahay namin. So, ayun. Ayun.
I don't like that.
Yeah, just stop it. Ayan. So, let's just open. Ayan. Yan. Yung may trapal na orange. Actually, yung kapitbahay din namin. Nasa lot, kami? Lot. Ito yung lot namin. Tapos yung katabi namin, under construction na din. Okay. At least, nakakatawa kasi, elevated na yung unit namin. Ngayon pala napagtanto. Mas mataas kami. Ang saya. Wow. That's so nice. Maliit lang naman tong unit. It's a bungalow unit. 120 square meter yung lot. Tapos 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath. Although simple lang, pero yung community talaga ang the best dito. So far hindi naman binabaha. Malapit sa, accessible sa mga establishments, mga essentials, hospitals, pharmacy, groceries, supermarket, mga talipapa, ang dami sa paligid dito. Ayan. And dalawa yung
Mommy.
entry and exit.
Mommy.
Dalawang entry and exit dito. Isa sa Pamalolos, and ito naman yung pinasukan namin. Actually, ngayon pumasok kami galing sa Malolos entrada. And meron din siya sa mas malapit sa current apartment namin. Yun. Mas gusto ko yung entrada doon dahil talagang pagpasok mo palang feel mo na yung exclusivity nung location. That's why nainlab agad kami nung nakita namin may open slots pa itong 5-hour race dito sa Plaridel Heights. Dati hindi pa natatakpan yung likod ngayon natakpan, so hindi ko na mapakita yung likod, pero I can actually maybe show you sa other videos yung improvement ng ating bahay. Talagang pagpasok mo palang feel mo na yung exclusivity ng location. That's why. Ayun, so
Mommy.
I think that's it for now. We'll update you sa progress ng ating bahay na pinapagawa dito. Siyempre kami excited, and if you haven't subscribed, you can like and subscribe to our channel po. Other than food, siyempre we're a family vlogging channel din. So, I think it's gonna be a good start. Ito yung start ng pag-vlog ko na about family, about us. And then, life update, kumbaga, na hindi ko pa nagawa so far.
Mommy.
This is gonna be the first video, if ever. It's 9 o'clock. No, it's already 10. It's 10 in the morning, and Jury will have to go to school at 12. So after this, pabalik na kami sa bahay. Iwan namin si Jury, and may schedule kami ng vlog.